Students, this is the intermediate chemistry most important 2 marks questions paper. See chapter wise. Generally, we know section A contains 2 marker questions. The 2 marker question will come from the environmental chemistry. See here the most important 2 marker questions in a environment chemistry there. Now second question coming from the states of the matter. The third one is the stoichiometry. The fourth one is a chemical equilibrium. S block elements. Next one is P block elements. Next one is P block elements, but group 14. Here the group 13. Organic chemistry. See, now I scroll very slowly. Just pause it. Now we solve it. If you have any doubt regarding to the any question in this model paper, generally this is not a model paper. Previous year questions and most important repeated questions is there. You have any doubt regarding to the any question, just drop the question number in a comment box. I will explain in a detail within 24 hours. You can ask freely any doubt regarding to the any chapter, any question. Slowly I'll scroll, just pause it, solve it. You have idea, no problem with it. You have no idea about it, then search it and recall it. These are the most important questions. You can check once. Is are not. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Good day.